So when you signed up for Greengeeks, they should have sent you an email that looks like this, that says new account information in the subject. And what we're really concerned with is this little guy right here, the name servers. It should say name server 1 and name server 2. And then you have this right here. This is very important, so we want to go ahead and copy and paste this information. So we'll just go ahead and just copy that. And then we need to sign into our Godaddy account. Okay, so once you're logged into Godaddy, you should see this window. If you don't, just click on where it says My Products. But here's our domain name, and we want to click on the text that says DNS. So we'll click on that. We'll give it a minute. It should load up this page right here. And we want to scroll down to where it says name servers and click on where it says change. It's going to give us a little bit of a warning, yada yada yada. Enter my name servers. Okay, and remember the information that I told you to copy? We're going to go ahead and paste that into this window. So I'm going to go ahead and paste mine over here, and you'll notice that it's usually ns1 or ns2 dot and then the domain name greengeeks.com, and we're going to hit save on that. It may take it a minute to load, but once it finishes, it should bring you back to the domain manager screen. If it doesn't, you can just click on this guy and it'll take you back there. Sometimes it takes up to 24 hours for the domain name to change over. So what we're going to do is we're just going to wait. I'm going to come back tomorrow, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to set up your WordPress. But until then, like I said, it takes up to 24 hours sometimes for it to populate. And if you notice, if we open up a new tab and type in our website name, it's probably going to load up a blank page because the changes haven't went through yet. Yeah, they haven't. Okay, so we're going to give it 24 hours, and we're going to come back and see if the changes have been submitted. See if it points to our web hosting. See you guys in the next video.